All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to look at the Pitaka case, the ultra slim case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. They also sent over one of these little stands here, phone ring holders. We're gonna go ahead and get into the case. Ooh, that's gonna be really nice with the titanium black here. And this is the jet black, and this is from the woven Aramid fiber collection. This is the black and gray color. So here it is. Very nice. You've got just a little faint amount of branding right there. And you got the ports and everything cut out on the side. On the back, you can see the camera module. And we're gonna go ahead and slide it in. Obviously, this is a MagSafe style case. Strong. I think they have some of the strongest magnets ever on their phones. So let's go ahead and put this on. Just slide it in. That's how quick it goes on. Man, this is a strong magnet. It's just a strong magnet. And this is a beautiful color. I actually have this for the S25 Ultra as well. Here's the S25 Ultra with the other Pitaka case on it here. Beautiful, beautiful cases. And I really love that the camera modules are individually cut out on the cases. So this is really nice. It does work with wireless charging, obviously, but let's go ahead and try on this camera ring holder here, or this cell phone ring holder, not camera ring holder. Ooh, they sent over the black version. Oh, this is beautiful. And I say that because I have like a white version of this. This is real. Oh, this is strong and sturdy. Wow, they know how to make some quality products, man. I have really no complaints about what Pitaka is doing here. This is a strong holder right here, and it's got these different levels you can have. Wow, this is a strong holder. This is beautiful, and I love that it's the same color as the device. That is beautiful. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab yours. Pitaka, wow, that's so strong. Pitaka has some of the best quality products that a person could ask for, and this is just another set of them. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Straight to the point, Pitaka set up for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. If you haven't already seen it, I've already done it for the S25 Ultra. This is my titanium silver blue here, and so this ring here looks really good around it. Wish I would have done a black, like a dark color gray, like this color around the camera module, like that color, because it's not like solid black or anything like that, but it would have been cool to have this color around this particular case. That would have been really sweet. But it still looks good as is. You got the titanium black showing through here, and this is just a good looking setup here. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Links to purchase are down below.